After a dismal showing in the 2014 elections and then losing the strongholds of Maharashtra and also Haryana, the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi now is planning to reconnect with the people through mass contact programs across India. But the crucial question, will Rahul's revival stunt reverse his party's slipping political fortunes?
Congress launching a month-long mass contact program in Kerala. And Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi is taking a cue from this Jan Sampark Yatra to revive the fortunes of his grand old party.
With sources in the Congress indicating that Jan Sampark Yatras are going to be his strategy to win back the voters, the Congress has once again pinned its hopes on Rahul Gandhi.
But even before Rahul Gandhi takes his step into the countryside to renew his party's contact with the masses, the BJP is writing him off.
When I hear that the mass connectivity campaign of Congress would be led by none other than Rahul Gandhi, I wish them good luck. I believe if Rahul Gandhi is leading from the front, then we all know what the story would be at the end.
Yet, Congress believes Rahul is only trying to follow in the footsteps of what Indira Gandhi did after her defeat in 1977 and what Rajiv Gandhi did after losing power in 1989. While BJP is critical of Rahul's effort to connect with the masses, the Congress is defending him.
You never flog a dead horse. You always try and attack a person whom you're scared of, and BJP is scared of him. I mean, this statement otherwise makes no sense. Whether Mr. Gandhi has an impact or not is something the impact will show him together. And I think BJP gets scared when it comes to Mr. Gandhi because they realize his inherent potential. Otherwise, this statement is not merited.
Congress at its weakest in the Lok Sabha, recently losing ground in 2 strongholds, and rumblings of revolt have all combined to finally shake Rahul Gandhi that he is now thinking of implementing a revival plan. But it may be too little, too late. With Sneha in Delhi, Sahan for Times Now.